I was told that day to open up the conversation at home as soon as I possibly could. Well, I'm here today because I received a kidney donation from my brother Tom here about 1.5 years ago, and I am now waiting on a transplant list for a deceased donor pancreatic transplant. I'm nearly 59 now, and 42 years I have been battling a very aggressive form of type 1 diabetes. And about 19 years ago, my endocrinologist told me that my kidney function was beginning to deteriorate and that I would probably get a max of 9 years. So I managed to eke 17 years out of them, but I had known for a long time that it was coming. But what I didn't realise was that there could be a living donation. I thought it had to be a deceased donor. I told him the news, and he instantly said, "I want you to have my kidney. Put me down on your list."
Our mother died at 51 with cancer, and you sit there on the sidelines and you're helpless, you can do nothing. This time we could try something. If it didn't work, well, at least we tried. If it does work, she gets a few more years out of it, great.
Basically, I had an infection in my liver and the scarring was really bad, so I was assessed for a transplant there and went on the transplant list in December 2016. A huge change to my life. It was pretty traumatic. You know, I went from being really healthy, well, not really healthy, but healthy for me, and you know, having fun and being in college, to literally barely being able to walk. It was really tough. So I was on the list for nearly 2 years until I got my liver transplant last October 2018, which was just the best news, the best call I ever got in my life, and now the change is just phenomenal. It's like literally a new life. People don't really realise the huge impact that it can have for someone to donate their organs, because you don't really think about that in your everyday life. I mean, why would you? Before I came across it, I never thought about it, but it's just so important, like the difference it has made to my life. Just for that family being so selfless and donating their loved one's organs. Like, it must have been such an awful time for them losing a loved one, but I hope that they might have got some comfort out of knowing that I have gotten new life because of their loved one. And I just think that's amazing, and I think it really can help families when they're going through a loss like that, to know that they've helped so many other people and that person has helped so many people.
Please, if you get a card, make it known to those close to you that this is what your wish is when the time comes.